Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add an advanced vignette effect using adjustment layers in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I've added a couple of clips to my timeline that I'd like to add a vignette to. Let's begin by going over to the project panel and clicking the New Item button down here. Select Adjustment Layer. You'll get a pop-up, but just click OK. Then drag the adjustment layer above your clip on the timeline. Extend your adjustment layer's duration so that it matches the length of your clip. Next, go over to the Effects panel and type Circle into the search box. Drag the circle effect onto your adjustment layer. Now go up to Effect Controls where you'll see your circle effect settings. First, change the circle's blending mode to Stencil Alpha. This will make your circle transparent to make your video show through. Then increase the circle's radius. Typically between 1000 and 2000 is an ideal range for common vignette styles. Next, click the feather drop down and increase the feather's outer edge. Again, an ideal range for most vignettes is typically between 400 and 600. And that's it. Play around with the controls to get your desired vignette effect. Lastly, to add your new vignette to all videos on your timeline, simply extend your adjustment layer to cover all videos. If you're interested in a simpler method for adding vignettes in Premiere, check out the video link on screen. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.